Hi, I'm Devin from Solomon Park Research Labs. Today I'm showing you just how simple and convenient our custom frozen controls and calibrators are. Here is our LRC kit, stored at -80 degrees Celsius for maximum stability. Simply let them thaw at room temperature. Thawing usually takes 10 to 20 minutes on the bench top. While those are thawing, I order the calibration on my analyzer. Here's our calibrator. I give it a gentle mix to ensure it's homogeneous, then I aliquot 100 microliters into a sample cup in the calibration rack for my analyzer. Now I just place the racks on my analyzer and press play. One thing about our calibrators is that they have assigned reference values. It really doesn't get more accurate or reliable than that. Okay, here's our controls. We have a low level and a high level to cover different ranges. I'm just giving them a little mix, ordering them in my analyzer, and then aliquoting 100 microliters each into sample cups. Another thing about our controls and calibrators is that they are 100% human serum. This preserves the native matrix and mimics patient specimens. Load the rack, start the run, and get reliable results. If you have any leftover thawed material, just pop it back in the refrigerator. Our controls and calibrators remain stable for up to 1 week at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius after thawing. That's it. Fast, reliable results. Reach out to Solomon Park Research Labs.